Hey everybody, so as I told you in one of our previous videos, I unfortunately missed out on that 5-pack of Zosta M77 mags through Apex for $100. However, they apparently turned the deal back on and I was able to snag a set of 5. What we're going to take a look at today is see whether or not those 5 are as nice as my first 3 that I got. Card up here in the top right if you want to reference that video. Additionally, I got a refinished M70 handguard ferrule because I may pick up another set of new old stock wood just for grins. I don't know what my problem is. I probably have a sickness. Yeah, I've got so many parts floating around, it's not even funny. But anyway, without further ado, let's dive off into this 5-pack of Zostava M77 mags from Apex and see if it's as nice as the 3 that I bought previously. I have no idea. I don't know what to expect. I don't have a clue. First off, let's get that invoice out of here. Pesky invoice out of the way. By the way, here's that handguard ferrule before we dive off into the mags, just in case you guys wanted to see it. Looks pretty decent. I don't see any issues with it. None whatsoever. Just a good handguard ferrule. A lot of times when you get the new old stock furniture, that's not on there. You either have to supply your own or get one. Alright, so this is that 5-pack of mags for $100. Let's see what they look like. I really hope they're as good as the first 3, that is. Wow. Those are pretty flippin' sweet. They look good. There's a slight patina on this one, ever so slight. Floor plate is not fully seated on that one for whatever reason. But they look nice. This one has a few little scuffs on it, but looks very good. No major issues. Let's check out the third one. Once again, just some battlefield or issue wear, if you want to call it that. Floor plate once again. Follower. This one doesn't look like it's hardly been used. Let's check out number 4. A few little scratches. Certainly no rust like the ones that I had gotten from Center Fire Systems, at least the one. There's one with a decent amount of surface rust. This one's got a little bit more bluing finish gone. No major issues to speak of. It is mashed in just a little bit down here. I don't think that that's going to affect feed or function. It's just a slight, well, you guys can see it, there's just a slight divot right here. I don't think that's going to affect it, but you know, for $100 for 5, that's pretty sweet. Pleasantly impressed. Apex, if you guys are watching, you knocked it out of the park. I mean, these are good condition right here. Like I said, excuse me, this one has a slight impression here from where it looks like it was just bent in ever so slightly. If I'm worried about that whatsoever, I can pull this floor plate out and then I can take and bend this back out. That is not a deal killer by any means, but you know, these all look very good. The rear lugs, you know, I don't see any issues there. The front lug, I don't see any issues there either. I mean, of course, 4 of the 5 are electro penciled. This one is not. But still, I mean, this is a great deal, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. Given the cost of what these things are normally, I think it's a great deal. So anyway, just wanted to share this with you guys as the time of this filming. I don't know when this video is going to make it out. I'm essentially bum rushing a lot of videos this week just because I'm trying to get deals out to you guys before they expire. And I have so many videos sitting in the queue just waiting to go public, but I don't want to overload you guys. So anyway, hopefully they'll still have this deal, but you know, this is what you can expect. I mean, a sample size of 8, previous 3 in the video that you guys saw already in here, at least the link, the card to the link to it, whatever it is. Anyway, and then these 5. So super impressed. Definitely good shape mags. Definitely well worth the price of 5 for $100. That makes them $20 a piece. You're saving $5 for the cost of the mag. So basically it's like just buying 4 and getting a 5th one free. So anyway, make sure you guys hit that bell notification. I will try my best to keep you guys apprised of all the deals and stuff out there. It's very hard. And sometimes, quite frankly, I just forget. My apologies. I am human. So anyway, if you guys like videos like this, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you to my subscribers, and thank you guys for all your likes, your shares, your comments. Make sure you share this with your friends if you think they might like stuff like this as well. And as always, thanks for watching, everybody. Until next time, you guys have a great day.